Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedopot. Well, all you do is throw your seeds or your plants in this planter and it grows your food for you. We're in the middle of harvesting some peas right now. I threw them into these bottom planters right here and they've been growing pretty well. They've been doing very good. We have no plants have died. There might be about maybe 20 plants, I don't know, in each planter. And the only bad part about it is that the sunlight is only on one side, not on the other side. So if I'm not going to maximize my growing area now, why would I put peas in there when I'm not utilizing 360 degrees of the sunlight to maximize my growth? Well, the reason why is because these peas are growing to produce fertilizer. Yeah, we're about to grow some peppers. And so the peas will help hopefully build the nitrogen content in the soil, natural, biotic growth in the soil to break down those nutrients for these plants. So it should take off and do extremely well. Again, these are Torpedopots, the self-growing planters that grow your food with no human intervention. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to harvest my peas. Now, I'm just going to cut them down. I'm going to leave the roots in there. And then I'm going to sprinkle my pepper seeds on top of it, put the soil on top of the pepper seeds, and walk away again. The purpose of us putting these peas in is to build that strong biotic environment for our most strategic crop. And in this case, it will be our peppers. We love our peppers an awful lot. We grew 50 pounds of peppers last year. I don't know if we'll be growing that much this year, but we know we can do whatever we need to do to meet our own diet. So let's go take a look at some of these peas. They look pretty good, don't they? Let's take some off for you, cut it up for you. Okay. All right. You won't find one deficient pea anywhere. I don't have to pull it off for you. You just take a look at it. Every pea is absolutely grown the way it's supposed to be grown. Guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. They grow your food with no human intervention. You never ever have to grow your food again. And you're guaranteed to have food all of the time. So, not only do I get to have some peas, and I can make some pea soup or whatever I like, but with the foliage that I have right here, I can feed my rabbits, I can feed my goats, I can supplement my cows with natural organic food. Remember now, you're not the only one who's eating. Everyone's eating up and down the food chain. To the small parasites, to the largest mammal on earth. Everybody's a part of that food chain. Find out where you fit in with Torpedopot and learn to grow your food. So I'm gonna go cut some more down. Woo, boy, that's a lot. Yes, it's a good idea to have a trellis. But I'm only using this, I'm growing these peas for the nitrogen in the soil to grow my next crop. Whew, this is madness. I love it. Torpedo pot grows your food, guys. If you learn anything else, we grew 15,000 pea pods. This is nothing for us. Look how healthy this food is. Look how beautiful that is. Torpedo pot grew that. That's beautiful. Look at the outer body, the hair sticking up on that piece of fruit. That's amazing. That is really amazing. That's absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. Beautiful. And you have hundreds of these when you grow that you can choose from. You can eat them in any form. What I'm going to do is let them sit here and dry out so I can cook a pot of beans. I want to test my pressure cooker. Okay, let's get some more. Boy, are they beautiful. Oh, it's heavy.
Udah, Pak.
Man, oh man, oh man. These are my beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 planters. 7 planters. 20-inch planters. Now, guys, again, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. What they do is that they grow your food with no human intervention. It doesn't matter if you have seeds or seedlings. All you do is place them in the planter and you'll have hundreds of pounds of food. It's designed to pull the carbon out of your environment to feed you. It uses your environment to feed you. And so you can't go wrong. It's the purest food in the world. It's called biotic growing process. We call it the sustainable biotic environment, where we use the environment to grow your food for you. We manipulate the environment to manufacture something that your plant loves and that it can grow in, and then produce the chemicals it needs to do in order to feed us. Torpedopot.com. These are my beans. We grow them in our planters. I'm going to now harvest the lettuce coming up next. If it wasn't raining, I would do that right now. But I'm going to put my peppers in these planters. I'm going to cut the stems down to the top. I'm going to throw in my pepper seeds. Just throw them in all over the place. Cover with soil. Keep the same watering schedule that we had for the peas. Cut it back by at least 1/2 or 1/3 of what you're doing right now for the peas. The peas, I say we're watering 3 times a day at about 10 to 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, something like that. 10 to 15 minutes, something like that, yeah. 3 times a day. And the soil is absolutely tremendous. All right, so this is Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we make self-growing planters that grows your food with no human intervention. There are no blemishes. There's no negatives about any of this food. It's all perfect. And it's amazing. I mean, not one has any blemish on it. They're all perfect. You see nothing wrong with this food, besides the fact that maybe I should have picked it earlier. Because when they were young and tender and so soft, I could just take it off and eat it, and it was so beautiful. Had a good relationship with them. Now they got tender, they're going beyond that stage, and now they toughen up. I can get the beans out of them. And when I pull the beans out of these, oh, it's spectacular. I love it. I don't know if this is steel or soft or not, but let's find out. You ready? Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. You see that, guys? See if I can get a little close. Look at that bean. Wow, that's the little baby in there. That's what you have brought into the world. You brought that into the world. You've allowed it to come forth. And it's beautiful. Look at it, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And it's tender, it's pure, it's wholesome, because it's grown with a methodology where that we use the microbes in the soil to grow your food. So you don't need to kill your food in order to eat it. You can eat it live, and that's what Torpedopot does. It allows you to eat it live. And it's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Torpedopot is the world's first self-growing planter. Remember, all you do is put your seeds and your plants in this planter. You never water, you never feed. We only require that you supplement, and you'll have food for the rest of your life. It's called Torpedopot. Give it a try. It'll feed you. Let's try this raw bean. Oh. Wow. This is sweet. Oh my gosh, this is real sweet. I'm sorry, it's the peas. Wow, this is amazingly sweet. Whoa. This is amazing. Wow. I did not expect this at all. Oh my gosh, these beans are delicious. The whole pie is still tender. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take these in and fry these up with. I don't eat like this on film, but I want you to experience what I'm experiencing right now. Oh, this is unbelievable. Let's open another one up. You hear that? That sound is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's Torpedopot. Grows your food for you. You can't get anything more pure than that, baby boy. Nothing more pure than that. That is delicious. Oh my gosh, look at that. Man, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Man. Dude. Man. This is like eating a strawberry, man. Oh my gosh. These are peas. Sweet peas. They've been grown in a Torpedopot. And all I did was put my seeds, in this case, I dropped my seeds in there. And from seeds I got all this food. Pennies. Look at all this food. It's amazing. I'm enjoying it. Wow, this is amazing. Wow. This tastes so good. Wow. All right. Cut short. Talk to you guys later. Thank you. Bye-bye.